So also we need to make sure that we install the thumbnail inside database. So in order to do that, I will create one new column inside the database, inside the videos. So I will create one migration, PHP artisan, make migration. I will name it like add thumbnail column to videos table, and we can put the table name equal videos, so it will do addition easier for us. So if we go to the migration, database migration, and then we go to database migration, this file created right now, so we can see the table is already selected for me. So what I will do, I will just go table, and then it will be type of string, the name will be equal thumbnail. I will call it image because later in the inside my model I will just pull this image. I will check if the image is available or not, so we can see it in the view. So I'll name it this way, thumbnail image, and then inside down, so I will say table drop, and then I'll select this file name. Or drop column, so it will be removed once we do the migration rollback. So let's do PHP artisan migrate, and let's check database, refresh database, and make sure that we have this. If I go to structure inside the videos, then I should see we call it let's do it this way. So I'll go to the structure, sorry, so it will be at the end, but I forgot to do it after some column. You know, there's an option in Laravel, so I will do it maybe after it could be after description or after UID. So I will do again something like PHP artisan migrate rollback. I will roll back this one, and then there is an option here. I will say after UID, so it will be creating after this UID, and then again one more migration, make sure it's okay, refresh again, and yeah, it's here. So very quickly we can go to the job, thumbnail job, and after the creation or saving the file, we go to this record, this video, and then you can say update. It will be thumbnail image, equal to this file. It will be the file and the extension. So after, let's do one more test. So I'll go here, refresh, upload one file. So I'll select this file. Thumbnail does not exist, or basically it cannot be null when we create the video. So I forget one thing here also, sorry about that. This should be nullable, and one more thing, roll back, and then migrate, and then we should be fine. Let's go and refresh. I'm just sure if it's inserted this file or not. So go to the data, just refresh, and if you go thumbnail, no, I will delete everything here. And then let's do one more test, final test, hopefully. Okay, it looks it's worked. So yep, I have the file here.